One. Hello, hello. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. So if you
Hello.
can hear us, you can hear me speaking and can see all three of us. Please say hi in the chat box so that we know. And please, everybody, I don't know how many people are here yet, but definitely
Hi,
there are people
Mari.
here. Hi, Marilla, Mino. Hi. Hi, Danny.
Hi.
Hi there.
Yeah, we can always start. So everybody, please, if you have any question, can always type it in the chat box, and after that, the WOXO team will help to answer, or if I can answer that, I will also answer that. So that's how we do the webinar, and let's start soon. And good morning again, or good afternoon, or good evening, everybody. My name is Albert Tan. If you haven't known me, I'm the founder of DownloadSilo.com. Download Silo is actually a website providing a lot of lifetime deals, special offers on digital marketing tools. And most of you are here because you are part of the Download Silo Facebook group. And we are glad that you are here. And today we are going to talk about the piece of software called WOXO. But I do not know why the name WOXO, but maybe the founder will tell us why. So today we have invited Alberto Roman and as well as Bell from WOXO team to talk about the effective use of WOXO bug video generator and widgets for marketing platform. So with that, I would like to introduce.
Oh, sorry, I got frozen again. I'm just gonna refresh the page and I'll be right back.
No problem.
Go ahead.
So I will introduce WOXO co-founder. So Alberto is the guy behind the software, So he's actually the web developer as well as the mobile developer for this piece of software. So for him, it is all about meaningful work and also a meaningful relationship. So, and I would like to introduce Belle. Belle is a lovely lady here. So he's a part of the marketing team, and it's very dynamic, very creative, and you can see from her presentation later, or you call the demo later, and he's very curious and very passionate about everything about marketing. So you will know it later. So, and last but not the least, she loves to tell jokes. So please tell us some jokes afterwards. Okay. So without further ado, Albert, please come on stage and talk about what is WOXO, why we need it. Please.
Good. So first of all, I really appreciate this opportunity. I mean, thank you for having us. Everything started with 3 years ago with Frontend. Frontend is our parent company. Right now we are more than 25. From the beginning, we were doing consultancy service. Then we also born 1 year ago. 1 year ago, basically we started using the same tech that we were using, and we learned a lot with our consultancy. So one day we were chatting, Dario and me, and let's try to use our same tech, the one that we are using on the consultancy with airline and financial industry. Let's try to use this tech and use it for a small business, freelancer, just like a B2C in the B2C industry. So that was the the idea, the bottom line was let's allow create more. So I mean, in marketing is important, but content is like the king of marketing, and video is the king of content. And I mean, it's easy to connect the dot and see that if you allow a creative, you are an artistic, more business owner, and you have to do marketing, you have to create content, video is the king of content, but take time a lot. I used to be a video editor 20 years ago. I was using a lot of Adobe, Premiere, After Effects, and 20 years ago, you can imagine that I mean, with it was difficult, and today it's difficult. It's not so difficult that we have. I mean, Adobe grow a lot, but you have to. I mean, it's like a professional service. So it was easy to connect the dot and say, okay, let's try to create something where people don't have to waste a lot of time, or don't have to go like the learning curve, the Adobe learning curve, for example, that is a lot. Allow them to publish their creations without wasting time, easy, straightforward, and that was. I mean, I don't know, Albert, if this is enough or is it clear? You let me know if you want me to go.
No problem, Albert. So you explained your background well. So you have anything to add? If not, we will let Belle to introduce herself.
That's basically it.
Okay, thank you, Belle. Thank you, Albert. So Belle, your turn.
Hi there, everyone. A pleasure to be here. Thank you, Albert, for the opportunity you've given us to be here and show WOXO to your whole community. So yeah, thank you very much. I'm Belle. I'm part of the marketing team here in WOXO. I was here since, I think, the beginning of times. So yeah, I really love seeing how it has grown and seeing the tool being used by different people. We are seeing like different uses, and I think everyone can give it a little twist to what they can do with the video creator or the widgets. And there's always like customers just messaging us like, hey, I've created this, and I don't know, it's so cool. I have even a customer who sent me like a dynamic video wishing happy birthday or have a happy day, and it was awesome. I was like, oh my god, I love it. So yeah, it's basically my introduction. And yes, I do love telling bad jokes. So if you ever contact me in support, you'll hear my bad jokes. I'm sorry about it. I just love them.
Okay, no problem. Yeah, so thank you, Belle, for your introduction. Maybe we don't waste any time. Let's go into the what I call the detail. You are able to share your screen and do the live demo with a use case, please.
Perfect. I'm just going to share my screen. So you'll see it in 3, 2, 1, I guess. There we go. Just checking. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Perfect. So here we go. Let's go to WOXO. Sorry, I was showing a briefly preview to Albert, but now that we're all here. So basically, welcome to our dashboard. This is what you're going to be seeing once you log in into your WOXO account. And as you can see, we do have like videos and widgets. And here on the dashboard, you can see you can switch from there. And if you scroll down, you can see your recent projects. So everything you create, it gets saved automatically. So you can see it also on my videos, my widgets. But we also have a cool feature that's called My Assets. And it lets you upload anything you want. As we were speaking, we're mentioning content creators, and sometimes you have to worry about like where to get images, where to get videos. Well, we do have an integration with Pexels. That's a copyright-free library that offers videos and images, so you can use them from there. But you can also upload like videos, images, like your own assets, so music and fonts. And you can do it so by using your files and just dropping them here, by scrapping your web addresses, using like online storages, or your social media, anything you want. You can see I'm just going to show you some of the things I've uploaded. So random stuff from our Instagram, from my own computer. So this is something that the design team shared with me through Google Drive. So it's a mix from here and there, and yeah, you can just have it all here. So let's start with our project. We do have quite a few templates. So as you can see here, like I have a few of them. And let's click on see all to really see all of them. And I mean all, like as you can see here, you can keep scrolling, like they will keep appearing. And here you have, let's go for this example to show some of the e-commerce, because Albert was telling me that most of you are solopreneurs and you have shops. So if you have an e-commerce, how to use WOXO? Well, let me show you. First, you have like this thing that you can select all the carousel. So if I click in here, I just will have these 5 selected. But if I just want to select one or two, for example, if I want to select some books here, it was like a fashion thing, but I have also a book about fashion, so I can select one for the books, and maybe I can display my behind the scenes, my workplace. So I'm just going to select one of these. So I have 7 templates selected, and I'm just going to start a new project. Now we're clicking here. We can see that we are proceeding to the second tab. So it's a 3-step process. First, you pick the templates, then you go to the editing area, and then you go to the export area. But here's where the customization, where you can change most of the things. So as you can see, in this case, we have like 3, let's see how many, oops, sorry, no, keep it there. So 4, 5 scenes. You can have as many scenes as you like, but each scene is composed of a media, a title, and a text. So as you can see here, I have the media, that's like this boy about to shop something. The title is what you'll see here, so we can change it and say something like hello. And in the text, it's like a subtitle, so let's say like, hi, Albert. And you can see it appears here on the preview. So there we go. That's like our preview. All changes that we make like in here, they will appear here. And if I play it, sorry about your ears, but yeah, it just includes the music and how it is gonna look in general. So you can see the transitions, how the text is gonna look like, and well, everything you want to customize. We have some more customization settings in here. So you can change all like the text related styles, colors, size, position, like, yeah, you can like maybe center. Oh no, that's gonna cover the guy's faces. You can just move it from here as well. But yeah, you can have like a bunch of customization settings. Just let me hear. And you can also change the video shape. I just went with all verticals since I was thinking of doing just like YouTube Shorts, some videos for Instagram Reels and LinkedIn. But yes, you can do it some horizontal or just like, yeah, more squarish ones. And yeah, you have like a bunch of customizations, and you can duplicate the scene if you want. So we have here, many of you were asking how to delete scenes. Here is like the way to delete them. So you can you have to keep one to have the editor have something like you can delete them all. But if I want to delete this last free, for example, I just click here, I just click on delete, and that's all. So yeah, that's basically it. But we also offer a cool integration. So if you can see, once we're in templates, you can see that here's like a brief description of like the templates. And I also have a go to sheet option. It's because we have a really interesting combination and integration with Google Drive. So with Google Spreadsheets, sorry. Let me show you how it works. I've already created this video thing, but I have to integrate it with the video editor. So here I'm going to go to the sheet. As you can see, this is an excellent tool because you can use just Google Sheets for everything. Like if I want to translate this for women, thing, I can just use the Google Translate. So I'm just going to click for men, and I'm just gonna use it. I don't know, my former language is Spanish, so I'm just gonna go to Spanish. I think it was like this. Oh no, sorry, it was like, I think I have to put English, and then let me check if it's like this. Yes, there we go. So you can use that, for example, if you're targeting different customers, and you can just copy and paste like the different rows and just copying it. So maybe do some A/B testing. I'm just gonna do, let's see, like 20 something videos. So for example, if I wanna do just some small changes, I'm just gonna translate this here and make the same videos for different customers. It will work. And also, I don't have to worry about copying the images and pasting them here because this works with URLs. I just can type in, for example, fashion, since this first video, it was related with something with fashion related. So I'm just gonna click on fashion, and I'm just gonna copy the URL from here. So Control-C. And I'm gonna go to integrations, import Google Sheet, and I'm just gonna paste the URL and click pull. This is gonna ask me for access, so I'll just going to grant them access to my Google Sheet. And this is gonna redirect me once more to the page. This part is kind of tricky, so you can still see my screen and it's moving, right? Oh, yeah. Sorry. I just wanted a response because last time I was in a webinar and in this part it got like a phrase. So I was like, oh, okay. So here you can see how many videos are in the sheet and if I have any errors. Since it's all okay, I'm just going to go for import videos. And this is going to take all the data I had on my Google Sheet and it's going to transfer it to the editor, just like that, like super quick. So there we go. And as you can see, like a pre-designed like fashion image appear here. I don't even have to go look for something. It's just like I typed fashion. I didn't even copy a URL. You can just use by keyword. So there we go. We have beautiful 25 videos. Let's just go to export now and click on native videos and build 25. This is gonna take a few seconds. I wanted to introduce some bad jokes, but you also have some interesting facts about videos. So there you go to keep yourself entertained while the video is being created. But yes, as I was saying, it's a three-step process. So this is the last step. You'll have, I am a special user, that's why I have the -1, but here you have the amount of videos you have been using this month. And yeah, that's basically it for the videos. So let's see how they are going to look. Let's see, they'll be ready in just a few seconds. Sorry, my internet today is a bit slow. It sometimes happens in the webinars because as I'm sharing my screen, it delays the process a bit, but it's almost already done. So yeah. I don't know if anyone has like quick questions or we're just leaving that till the end.
You want to look at the question, you have to look at the chat box, you know?
Oh, okay, sorry. I have to, let me just then, Albert, is there any like burning questions in the chat?
Let's see.
Belle, I think you just continue. Maybe the question we can ask later because there are so many questions. You don't know which one to answer.
Okay. I thought it was just like a quick question. I was like, oh, okay, no worries. Then here we have the videos created, as you can see. Sorry, I repeated a few since I copied and pasted the rows. But if you want to have like some A/B testing or something, you can use this. And you have like the download bulk option in here. So sorry, the bulk download option in here. So by clicking this, you'll get a zip with all your files. And the same happens in here. Like you can share the bulk thing. So you'll get a link. I'm just going to copy and open it here. And this link is going to show all your videos. So I'm sorry, I forgot to mention, but you can change the title. Like here, it was designer's collection, but you can customize and put your own title. And you can give this to your customers or share it with your team, with your friends, so they can all look at your work. And this page right here, like you can share it via email, you can share it on social media. And also, I'm not sure if you're familiar with Zapier, but we have an integration with Zapier, so you can just, a few of the things I've seen that Zapier can do is just storage the videos on Google Drive, like maybe use some scheduling tools, you name it. So there we go. The same thing you can do individually for the videos. You get a link, but an individual link. So let me show you here how it's gonna look. This is gonna have the title of the video. So in this case, it's they match, because I forgot to change the title. So yeah, the random title is just the one at the beginning. So here we go. It has a preview like of my video, and I just can download it. So you get your own video. So let me show you another use case. So as I was telling you about, let's go to, whoops. We have native videos and we have dynamic videos. So let me just build the dynamic videos. Because I don't know if you've seen here, but there's a weird looking video that says like greetings name. And I'm sure no one wants to display exactly this. Like this looks like a bug, but it's not. It's a secret trick I'm going to show you. So here we go. Oh, sorry. I think I froze the thing. Let me just, oh no, there we go. So here we go. We have the dynamic videos. And as we can see, oh, sorry, no, I have to activate the dynamic content. And it was number, I think it was number 5. Let me just look for it. So her friend is not it. For pets, it's not it. For men, we're not looking at this one. There we go, greetings name. So what is this? Okay, let me just show you. We have the landing page. I'm gonna copy the URL and copy the dynamic URL. And here we go. Here comes my magic trick. I'm gonna click enter, and you're gonna see, of course, the video with the greeting value thing. But what if I change, and here I actually fill with some greeting. I click on I say hello, and here on name value, I just add Albert. And let's see if I refresh. Let's see the magic happen. So, ta-da! You get your own landing page and your own video. Like, you just need to change the data here, and voila, you have your own customized video. And if I filled it with like dynamic data, there we go. So yeah, you have your video. My last trick for the videos, and with this, I promise you I'm finished, is, for example, if I want to create 4 videos for August, for example. So we're once again in fashion, in e-commerce, sorry. So I want to create, I'm going to display some books, going to display some fashion things. As I was telling you, one of the workplace, and for last, one of my products that's like designer. So I'm just gonna create a new project. This time, I'm not gonna forget to change the title. So I'm gonna show you how to do that as well. So we're once again, oh, sorry, no, I forgot about it. I did it wrong, sorry, my bad. We need to go to calendar ideas. I was just like, why is it not looking like I want? We go to calendar ideas and we select the ones we want. For example, deals, workplaces I was telling you about, books. I'm sorry. So this one I already have selected, and let's look for, I don't know, fashion. So I think I have 3. Okay, one more, books. So because we have like 4 Fridays in August. So new project. And there we go. Yeah, you have to activate the calendar view. Yeah, sorry, I forgot about it. So as you can see, we have like our videos, and they have a date as well. So what does this date thing means? You can actually customize it by going here. As I told you, they have the general customizations, but we also have the date. So here I can change the date, and I can, for example, pick it and say like, okay, I want this for the first Friday of the month. Then I have this here. So let's say I want this one for the second Friday of the month. So let's go there. Okay. Now we have 2 more. So I don't want this for Saturday. I want this for the next Friday. So it's going to be the 20th. Okay. And last but not least, I want this one for the last one, for the 27th. So yeah, there we go, 27th. Okay. So this is going to be for August, right? There we go. So yeah, I now changed the title. And one last feature I can use is, if I want to use, I can use like the logo, or I can hide it. So we have the logo feature here that is going to use your own branding. As I shown here, I had it hidden, but you can also use WOXOs. Well, of course, no, you're not going to use WOXO, but in my case, I could choose to display like the WOXO logo, or you can just like upload your own. So I actually did an example a while back with a pet shop. So you can, yeah, just use the pet shop one and just like click on apply. But here's like your logo, and there we go. Your logo is going to be here. So yeah, you can choose to opt it, to see it, sorry, or not. That's your choice. But let's go to the export part. So here I'm just going to build, once again, native videos, not dynamic ones. And I'm just going to click on build videos. And we have as well another integration with Google Calendar. So you're going to see like your videos, once they're finished creating, exporting everything, in your Google Calendar. So let's see how they will look like. Let's just give maybe 20 seconds more to the video maker so they can create the videos and the actions like to schedule them. Okay, so we have like all the videos ready. And here, as you can see in the bulk section, I'll have a share, and it's going to appear calendar. So I'm just going to click on it, and it's going to ask me once again, like which calendar I want to sync. I'm just going to sync the first one. And this is going to like sync all the events with like Google Calendar. So I'm just going to go here. This is my calendar for August. I'm just going to refresh it. And let's take a look at the Fridays. Okay, I mistook here. I scheduled one for like, I mistook and scheduled it for the 9th of August. So it was a Monday, not a Friday. But well, the rest I did well, sorry. Numbers are not my strength. So here we go. We have our content for our Fridays. And here you get like an alert with the get video. And if you click on this link, you'll get that individual website I was telling you guys about. So you'll see the video for that date created. So there we go. It's like this one was one of the deals. And you can see we can just scroll, but this is one for August 6th. So there we go with the videos. I think that's it. So let's go with the widgets. So as I was telling you guys about, we have videos and we have widgets as well. So we offer widgets for all popular social media, like this is the ones we have now. So let's go create some Instagram carousels. I'm just gonna click on there, and we have a bunch of different like templates for you to use. So you can just like scroll down and just see how they will look. I'm just gonna go with the first one, and I'm gonna click on create. And you can connect like your own Instagram account for more stability, but you can also use any Instagram you want. So let's say I'm an e-commerce and I'm something like Etsy. You just need to type like the Instagram account you want. That's basically it. So you need to connect if you want with your Instagram, but here's like the Etsy Instagram. So once I have this done, I have this title customization feature. So I can select like how the logo is gonna look like, what the text is gonna say, like, for example, if I wanna say follow Etsy, and just like some exclamation marks. And I want it a bit bigger. There we go. I can customize it. I can hide it as well. Each time you see the eye icon, like you can just display or hide the feature. You have some general like layout settings. So if you want more columns displayed, there you go. We have some mobile settings as well. So yeah, and we have the follow us button. That's the thing that appears right here. So if you want to hide it as well, you can. And you can like change the text. So find us, for example, on Instagram. Find us on Instagram, and there we go. So we have some advanced CSS that I'm not an expert, but we have some pre-made copy and paste code ready to use if you want to change. I think it was like the background color and the font, but this is a cool thing. So some of you in Facebook and for the chat were asking, like, why would I want a widget? And widgets help you with SEO, so they can keep your users in the page. So since the user is staying longer in the page, your SEO is going up, and then, well, Google will like reward you. So here's the cool feature. Instead of opening Instagram, that's like sometimes the default setting, you just click on Open Lightbox, and Open Lightbox makes, and when the user clicks on the post, just a pop-up will appear. So they can see like your social proof, like how many comments, how many likes, and how is your appearance on Instagram look like. So basically that's it. Once you're happy with how the widget is looking, you just need to click on publish. So it's gonna take just a second, and just click on copy code. And here you just need to copy this and paste it depending if you have WordPress, Shopify, or Wix, well, or other platforms. Just follow the instructions. We have tutorials for that. And of course, we're always on support. So just message us through the support chat that is right here. And we're going to help you with that. We also have lazy loading. So if you need this for your, I don't remember the rank, like the specific name of the ranking and score, but it's going to help you with that. It was something related to SEO, but I forgot the name. Sorry, it's at the tip of my tongue, but I don't remember it. So yeah, we have the lazy loading option. So you just need to copy the code and paste it there. And yes, there we go. That's all the cycle has been completed, like the cycle of life. So here we go. That was WOXO for you guys. Thank you so much. And if you have any questions, I'll be now going to the chat section and replying to them. So yeah, thank you.
Yeah, maybe you can just go through the chat box. But I think
Perfect.
Mary has been helping to answer some of the questions already.
Oh, thank you so much, Mari. So there we
Mary's
go.
on fire. Mary's on fire.
Where is on fire? Okay. I don't know if like if there's any question left. I've seen most of them have been replied by
No,
by
I
Mari.
didn't know. Yeah.
Like she's a star.
No, we
Yes,
can go
yes,
through one by
okay.
one, you know. So let me scroll through. Yeah, Danny asked how many storage we have when upload to our own image. I don't understand this question. I mean, how big is the maximum size of the storage or what?
Yeah, maybe he's talking about maybe. I mean, I agree with you. But again, we were chatting about this because I mean they are not unlimited storage. But for now, it's unlimited. I mean.
There's no limit, right?
So take it while you can.
Yeah, for now. I mean, yeah, we will be checking. We will be checking. To be honest, we'll see what we figure out. Let's figure out something. But for now, it's unlimited.
Okay, the next question is from Adi. Apart from the logo, can we add a small photo on top of the video? Abel?
Yes,
yeah,
we can.
Mari reply.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, go ahead, Bel. Go ahead, Bel.
Sorry, I was just yeah, you can upload like a photo. It's gonna act like a logo. So yeah, just you can move it as well as I show with the text. You can move the logo as well or the image as well.
Okay, the next question, Manoj was asking, is it possible to share video to all the social platforms at once? That means at one go.
I think you can do that by integrating with Zapier, or we're working on another integrations in the future. Like we have a few of them on the roadmap. Because at first we thought the most popular was Zapier, and we're finding out that there are other preferences. So there's Publer and there's another more, and we're trying to find a way to make that happen. And if you use that, yes, you can share it like at multiple social media at the same times.
So there are a few. Zapier is one, Pabbly, and the other one is Integrately. No, these are the.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, correct.
Yeah.
Yeah, these are the three popular ones within the LTD community.
We're currently working with Pauli team to get an integrator to integrate with them. So and Zapier is already done.
There is an undo button, right? Abhishek was asking in case you do something by mistake. Is there an undo button?
I don't think so, but if you use Control-C, like, I don't know, let me just type it, like Control, this, I think it's worked for me a couple times. So you just need to be on the cell.
Oh, okay, Control-Z.
Yeah.
Okay.
Remember that WOXO is logging. I mean, it's keeping track of everything you are doing, so you are not losing your work. It's gonna be. It's like maybe, I mean, you are familiar with Google Doc and Google Sheet. It's the same idea. You can go back and you can go back and use a previous version of your project. So
oh yes, it has. Sorry, it has a version history. It has a version history. So I'm just gonna show the screen. Oh, sorry, I lost the webinar. There we go.
We basically copy the same idea of Google Doc and Google Sheet.
So here I open like this. Oh, sorry.
Familiar with Google, if you are familiar with Google Suite, with Google Doc and Google, you are pretty much. I mean, you're gonna. It's the same idea.
Yeah, here's the version history. So every time it says change saved, you'll see the version history.
Are you sharing the screen? I don't see the screen. Now the screen is coming.
Oh, sorry. I think I did it too fast. Here's like the editing area, and here's where it says change state. If you click on there, you see the version history.
And again, also it's going to be keeping track of every change you are doing in your project, so that way you are not losing your work.
Okay, there's one guy by the name Zoris. Please show us how to make my own template, including brand access like logo and splash. Beryl, can you show? Beryl, we couldn't hear you. There's no voice coming from your area.
Yeah, it may be, I mean, my Bell?
Yeah, you have to refresh, I think.
Yeah, Bell, go ahead and refresh. Go ahead and refresh your. Technology is as usual.
Because of the memory of the browser, I think. Got frozen.
Yeah.
Can't stop sharing. My browser just crashes.
Yeah,
no worries.
Now it's okay.
Okay. So what was the question? Sorry.
Hold on. I was okay. Show us an example how to do their own template.
To do our own template. Perfect.
Including the brand access or like logo and the splash screen or whatever.
Perfect. So I'm just going to show you how you can create your own template. Just let's go to sharing screen before I show you anything. I was just about to start and I forgot about the sharing screen thing. So let me see if you're seeing my screen.
Yes, we are seeing your screen now.
Perfect. So I'm just going to go. You can start by going to the template bolt. So
but the screen was lost, huh? Albert,
Oh,
can you see the screen?
No, I lost.
You lost it. Let me just like stop and share it again. Like share. Let me see. Okay.
It's coming. Yeah.
Okay, now I will see.
Is it okay?
Yes.
Okay, let's try then. Fingers crossed. So I'm just going to go to Google Sheets. Are you seeing Google Sheets? I take that as a no. I'm just making.
I lost the screen again. Yeah.
Your
You
screen
lost the
is
screen
lost
again.
again.
Okay, I'm just gonna refresh and try to show you again. Okay.
Okay.
Just I'll be back
Go ahead,
in like a minute. Like stop sharing. And see.
Albert, I would like to ask this question on behalf of the audience. Luis was asking, is there any webhooks for integration?
Yeah, I mean, yeah, we had integrated with Zapier. More integrators are going to be coming in the near future, but right now we had Zapier, and again we are working with Power Team also, and in our roadmap, I mean, we are going to be growing a lot with in that. We are going to be trying to integrate with a lot as much as possible, right? Because
Okay.
it just makes sense.
Mm-hmm. Thank you.
Okay. Everyone, fingers crossed. Let's share the screen.
But I didn't see the screen. It's a blank screen, you know.
Oh
yeah,
yeah,
now it's a blank screen.
Google is like
now coming. Now it's coming.
Oh yeah, okay.
Yeah,
Google
now
is
it's
just sensing my tension.
Okay.
Are you seeing it now? Like
yes,
no worries, man.
Yeah, we see the.
Yeah.
You see the Google? Yes. Okay. Yeah. Let's go. So you're on Google Sheets, and you can create, for example, a video. I'm not just gonna go and search for URLs. Sorry, I'm gonna delete this. No, I'm not gonna. I just recommend you copy for example, one of these rows. It's really easy. Like you just need to copy table, and there we go. We just need an example to give us like this media title, text, like all the customizations. So I'm just gonna go with that. I'm just gonna paste it here. So what I just did, I'm gonna repeat it. It's click on here, click on copy table. And once I have this table copied, I just paste it here. So now I just can delete all this to make it like my own. I'm just gonna delete these rows, but I have here the basic structure. So in media one, I don't know what you guys want, but I love dogs. So put dog inside title. I'm just gonna click like hi dog. Text one, I can leave it empty. As you can see, I'm gonna have to repeat like the sequence as many scenes as I want. If I want, I don't know, 10 scenes, I'm gonna have to do this 10 times. So the second one is a cat, and I know very creative but hey cat, put in caps so the cats won't get offended. Media free, bird. And I'm just gonna go with hi bird. And for the brand, you can use your own logo. If you don't have it uploaded on some like storage that you can just copy the URL, you can just upload it here. As I've shown you, instead of using the WOXO, I just want to use my own. So I'm just gonna click on apply. So there we go. And if I go here and I click on advanced, I can just see like, let's go to the branding and the logo. I just can select all from here. Like I'm gonna select this cell and I'm just gonna copy it. So I'm just gonna use it here where it says brand. For the font, we do have a tutorial with, I think, all the fonts, or you can ask us via chat, but you can just like copy the same thing. Like you can just pick it from here and use it. So I'm just gonna go with like these customizations. So just copy the font, the background color. If you want to customize and you have like a color palette, you can use that. To be honest, I'm not an expert on color palettes. The designers in WOXO are really good with that. I'm not good, so I'm just gonna go with, I think this is black or it's white. I think it's black. So yeah, I'm just gonna go with this one. And the font size, I don't know, 14. The text style, let's see what it was. It's like, I like the crisscross better. So I'm just gonna go with crisscross. Position, let's go with top. And video shape, I think there was another question if you can change it like midway. You can change it here in the advanced settings. So you can find the advanced settings here. You just need to click on advanced. And, oops, sorry. That's my mail. I lost the screen. There we go. So sorry. I'm just gonna hide it. I couldn't just like, there we go. The video shape, let's do some vertical ones. But as I told you, you can change it from here. So this one, there we go. Transition, I'm gonna click on random. And music, same as the font and the background color. Oops, sorry, I forgot about the text color and background. Let's change something for the background color. Text color, it was pretty like this one. So let's put this one here. And this one was like 000. The music, you can upload it to WOXO and the same. It's gonna generate a URL. So you just need to select it and copy it into the cell. So let's just copy here. And same as last time, let's gonna change and name it like iPad. iPad. We're just going to copy this here. On integrations, go again. I'm just gonna, sorry, go back to the normal mode. So we can see the integrations in like more clear way. Import Google Sheet, just click, pull. And there we go. We have one video. So I'm just gonna import video. And let's see how it's gonna look like. There we go. So we have a dog, a cat, and let's see. Okay, so it's a really simple one, the one I made, but there we go. So we have our own logo, we have our own text, and we have different random images. I didn't expect like this type of bird, to be honest. But there we go. So this is how you would like create a, this one is like a very simple one I've just created, but you can customize as many things as you want and use all these like Google Sheet tricks I've shown you about, like just like maybe Google Finance, and you can just do a finance video. Yeah, you can just upload different things. So
okay.
you just need to keep this structure.
Okay, thank you, Belle. Don't what called don't stop the screen. Okay. Luis was asking, about the widget. Can he choose the specific Facebook album for the widget or just the main feed? I can't find how to do it.
Oh, let's go then to the, you mean in the widgets, right?
Yes.
Yes, you have to connect. So in Facebook, you can connect like different pages. Let me just like show you. I don't know if we have it connected in here, so let me see. Okay, no, I have it connected, I think. But one of the things for me is like, I'm one of the admins of the WOXO account, so I never know if I have it or not. Oh yeah, I have it connected. So as you can see, I'm one of the admins for WOXO, but I also have my own page. So in here, you just need to click like which one you'd like. So there you go. It's just like simple as that. Sorry for this old art. Like that was my Facebook page. So you can see it in here. Yeah, you just need to switch. And there you go. I don't know if that answers the question.
Okay, so well, Luis was typing in Spanish.
He said,
right?
oh, let's.
What's the question, Albert? The last question by Luis. Can you see that, Belle?
No, sorry. I'm afraid to stop sharing my screen. So I'm not seeing the chat box. I'm sorry. But I got too afraid. So just read me the question. I'll answer.
Okay, the question is about a specific photo album from Facebook. Can you do that?
Oh, to be honest, I'm not sure how. I can ask the tech team and reply to you later if you want.
Yeah, maybe you can answer it.
This API is growing a lot. I mean, it's evolving, but right now it's pretty basic yet. So, I mean, what you currently do is pretty basic, but in 2 weeks it's evolving. So just.
Yeah, I think for now what you can do is basically the page. I'm not sure how you would be able to share like a specific album, but as I've said, I'm not an expert with the tech behind all these features, so yeah, I can ask it and I'll let you know.
Okay, I think we have we have spent a lot of time in the demo and the question and answer. We should what I call go to the draw, no, for the winner of the LTD. So let me make a clarification. So there are total 5 prizes, 3 tier 1, 1 tier 2, and the last one tier 3. So, but tonight we are going to choose 2 winners at random from the attendees, and for the other 3 prizes, we will select it another day, maybe tomorrow, based on the participation, of the what they call the attendees. So I would like to know that any of you have bought this. Please type in your name there. Can you type your name? Anybody who has bought this, or you have not bought it? So if you have not bought it, you can actually buy it now from the AppSumo screen. Can you see the AppSumo lifetime deal? The pop-up. Okay, so no problem. Whoever bought it, you also can get the prize. It doesn't mean that you bought it, we will not give you the prize if you win it. So, okay, let me share my screen. And hold on, I need to get the names of the attendee first. Then I will spin 2 times. So I think we have difficulty on sharing my screen on the wheel of names. So sorry for that. So tomorrow I will just do it on my Facebook group. Then we will announce the winners. Okay. So that's all I have. So don't worry, the prizes will be there, and we have jotted down all your names. So, and I would like, I don't know why Abel is lost, right?
I think so. He got scared after I told him like, "Hey, I'm gonna tell the Pachoke." Like he ran away.
Okay. I mean, maybe I should say, Adi was saying, I can spin the two. No, I don't think so. So I also cannot see. Okay, I think we have to do a conclusion now. So thank you everybody for coming in, and I would like to say thanks to Aber, the co-founder, and as well as Belle. Thank you for your good performance. I think you are fantastic. Actually. So
thank you.
And I hope that I actually learned a few things here, because I didn't know that it's so powerful. Actually, to be frank. So don't worry. We will do the what I call the draw of the winner tomorrow, and I hope that everybody will be happy about it, because if you don't win today, you can win another day. We have so many webinar coming on different topics. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed this presentation by Belle and also Abel, and please join us on the other webinar that is coming soon. And we'd like to announce that on Thursday. Today is Tuesday. On Thursday, we have another webinar on this server avatar. I will post it up in the Facebook group. So thank you guys. Good night. Goodbye. And Belle.
Thank you. Yeah, honestly, thank you, Albert. Thank you for everything. And well, thanks everyone for being so kind and supportive.
Actually, my screen was frozen,
So it actually froze. Okay. So it was not a great day for screen sharing.
Okay, so I will just press end the webinar now. So if you don't see me, that is the end. Bye-bye, everybody. Thank you so much.
Bye.